Struggle with too much paper clutter? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about the best way to organize your paper piles here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and paperwork has always been one of my top requested jobs when I go to help someone organize their home or their office. Some people do not like to put away paperwork and they are left with piles and piles of paper, which make it really hard for them to find the paper they need when they need it. Are you afraid to file away certain paperwork because it's still active, like you're still working on it? Many people like to keep certain paperwork out because it's still an ongoing project. But the problem is, it can be impossible to find the one paper you need from a cluttered pile of paperwork. Here's the solution. This is a simple product made by Pendaflex called the Pendaflex Pile Smart Project Sorter. I know it's a mouthful, but it's a great product, and I recommend it to lots and lots of clients. It works in a home setting or an office setting. Here's how it works. You can choose up to 10 categories of paperwork because there are 10 sections to this product. Simply write a heading for each category of paperwork that you want to file on these white labels. And then you file the paperwork behind the corresponding tab. And then we have two elastic bands which secure all the papers inside this product, which makes it easy for you to transport it from one spot to another. So you can be working on some paperwork in the living room and then bring it with you to the bedroom. You can be working in your office and take all these papers with you to a meeting. You could be going to a legal appointment or medical appointment and take all these things with you, thanks to the what I call handy dandy security system of these two elastic bands. Now, here are just a few examples of categories that I've seen some of my clients use before. Bills to pay, receipts, takeout menus, summer camp or summer vacation plans, things I need to discuss with my spouse or partner or roommate, charitable donations that you collect for your tax paperwork, school buzz books or sports schedules or after school activities like Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts, power of attorney documents. This can be important if you are caregiving, let's say a parent, and you want to bring all the supporting documentation when you go with your mom to her appointments to show that you have power of attorney, whether it's for healthcare, whether it's for financial documentation. Now, if you have lots of ongoing projects, you might want to consider buying more than one Pile Smart. Here are some examples. You might want to have one for your house paperwork and one that you keep at work for work projects. You might want to designate one for each family member. You may have a summer home and or a vacation home, or maybe you have rental properties, and so you can have one of these for each property that you are taking care of. The possibilities really are endless. All you would really need to do is add, a category right here or on the spine that says what it's for so that you can differentiate between your different pile smarts. So as you can see, this product can hold a lot of loose paperwork. You remember, this is all the papers that used to be all over your counter or all over your desk or all over the dining room or kitchen table. So what categories of papers will you consider putting in your Pile Smart? Are you ready to make a huge transition in your home or at your office? I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. You can also visit the resources page of our website for a list of products and books that we recommend. I'll put a link to the Pendaflex PalSmart product in the YouTube chat. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.